In front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then click on Lock Screen Passwords at the top and tap on the best one for you: Pattern, Numeric Password or Alphanumeric Password. Following that, you need to create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit Confirm at the bottom right corner. Now apply the best option for your lock screen notifications by clicking on the chosen one. Show notification content, show notifications but hide content, or don't show lock screen notifications. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!